I'll guide you through the official, secure process of setting up Apple Pay on Apple Watch directly through your paired iPhone, so you can make contactless payments right from your wrist without entering card details on the watch itself. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. First, set a passcode on your Apple Watch in the settings. This is required for security when using Apple Pay. Open the Watch app on your paired iPhone, then tap the My Watch tab to begin the setup. Scroll down and tap Wallet and Apple Pay to access payment card settings. Under the Payment Card section, tap Add Card to begin the secure setup wizard. Select Debit or Credit Card to quickly reuse a verified card or add a brand new one by scanning the details. Agree to the terms and follow the on-screen prompts to start verification. Your bank must verify your identity for the watch's specific device account number to be authorized. You can also add Apple account, debit, credit, or transit card right on your Apple Watch. Go to the Wallet app, tap the More Options button, then tap Add Card and follow the on-screen instructions. Next, you need to set which card automatically appears first when you go to pay. On your Apple Watch, go to the Wallet app. Tap the More Options button and select Default Card, then select a card to make the default. You can also do this in the Wallet and Apple Pay section of the iPhone Watch app. When it's time to make a payment, double-click the side button below the digital crown. Hold your watch near the contactless reader to transmit the payment signal. Wait for a subtle vibration and a green check mark, which confirms the payment was successful. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.